In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme effectively in WordPress for the year 2025. Whether you're looking to refresh your website's appearance or want to try out a completely new theme, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice at the top right of the homepage a button labeled Log In. Give that a click and it will lead you to a variety of login options. The simplest method is to click on Continue with Google. This is a user-friendly approach, allowing you to log in using your existing Google credentials without the hassle of remembering another set of usernames and passwords. After clicking that, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you want to use for accessing WordPress. Once you've selected your account, you're just a few steps away from making beautifully designed changes to your site. Now you're in the WordPress dashboard. Look over to the right side of the panel and find Quick Links. Here you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that, which will take you to the back end of your website where you can make all sorts of customizations. Next, you need to select the specific website you wish to edit. For those managing multiple domains or blogs, ensure you click on the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong website. Once selected, you'll be brought to the page where creativity meets functionality. Take a glance at the right panel again and find the tab that says Template. This is your gateway to exploring the various themes available on WordPress. Once inside, head over to the Design section. This is where you can really let your personal style shine through. Here comes the exciting part, choosing your new template. Browse through the options available to you. You might spend some time here as there are numerous aesthetically pleasing designs to consider, each with different features that might suit your site's needs better. After you've selected the template that speaks to you and your vision, head to the top right corner and hit Save. This crucial step ensures all your efforts don't vanish into thin air and that your chosen design is applied to your website. And there you have it. Your WordPress theme is now changed effectively and your site looks refreshed and revitalized. Remember, website design is all about finding that perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality, so don't hesitate to tweak and adjust your theme until it's just right. Thanks for watching and happy designing.